Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope all is well. All my mum's just asking what I'm doing. I am going to make some nice mince pies. I've made some mince pies, and you can tell. Look at the state of my clothes. I've got flour everywhere. It's mainly where I've been rolling out on this breadboard here. That's a little tip for you. Instead of rolling it out on the main worktop, get yourself a breadboard. Depend on how much flour you want. How much pastry you want. Sprinkle some flour on it. Just roll it out across the breadboard like that. Use that as a breadboard. Anyway, you just need some basic pastry, short crust pastry, and egg, flour, sugar, and rather caster sugar, and butter, of course. And you just roll it up. That gives you a nice big roll of pastry, and you just put it in the fridge. And now this mixture here, I've got ordinary mincemeat from the co-op in the UK, and but to add to it, I've added some one orange, like a tangerine, and an apple. And what that does, that takes some of the sweetness away, because that can be incredibly sweet. So that's one little tip for you. So what I've done is I've gone and rolled them all out. I've gone and put them all into place in their molds. I'm just finishing off here. I'm just seeing what little pastries, how much pastry I can get out. I'm greasing the tin like this. And yes, I've washed my hands. And I'm going to put them in the agar. You okay, Mum? You alright? Yeah, I'm just...
Are you talking?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. I could probably get... Where's that cup gone? Oh, yeah, use a big cup. Just to make it up like so. You can just roll this up, use as much of the pastry as you possibly can. The flavour contrast you'll find is really, really nice. So for the pastry, I'm using caster sugar, I'm using a block of butter, and I'm using plain flour, just plain flour. There's a lot of recipes out there for mince pies, I've noticed. A lot of different ways, and a lot of different things which people put in them, different ingredients. Oh, here we are. Put this here. Oh, wrong one. That's the one we use. And that is going to go inside this mould here. See? So we roll it up again. Now I've got to try and get 2 lids out of that. Times 2. Can I do it? Let's see. Not quite, so we'll just make it a bit bigger. When you roll, you just keep turning the pastry round and round and round until you get like a big even circle. What I was doing here, I was rolling it onto that breadboard like a square. Save all the mess. So I've got this tiny bit of mincemeat left. Can put it in there. Yeah, just about do it. Just about do it. That's all done. Uncommon. So, one there. See? Another one here. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a corner here and see how big I can get this one. See? Just using a bit of flat, soy lard. It's going to be quite a thin one. I'm just using up what I can. Oh, I just about did it. Don't like to see food go to waste of any kind. So, now with this mincemeat, I'm going to add some lemon juice, just a touch of lemon juice. Now this is something I've not tried before, so obviously you don't want too much. Drip, 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 drip. About 4 drips, something like that. Yeah, just 4 drips. You okay, Mum? You okay? It's pretty. Yeah, you're very pretty, aren't you? They all think you're pretty on YouTube. And they all say hello to you. So, I'll be able to recognise the top of that one. Is this pastry nice? Just a little tiny bit. It's all right. Yeah, nice. Nice bit of raw pastry there. Can't beat it. Right. Now, you can egg wash the top, but I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of sugar on top like that. Whoops. Like this. Going in the wrong place. Now they're going to go into this thing, this agar, this big blue baby.
Julie?
No, I'm just talking about the agar. So, I'll probably give it 15 minutes and just keep on checking them. So, I shall put them in right now. Hi, no, it's all right. It's okay. All done. 20 minutes. See what they're like in 20 minutes, and obviously I'll need to keep a good eye on them. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below on what you think. Have a great weekend and a Christmas. And one other thing, if you want me to send you any cards and you live in the UK, let me know in the comments below. Just send me a, whether you want to do a virtual one. It's not too late, because all the ones I've sent abroad now, that actually went last week. So any local ones, let me know. Bye.